guys, welcome back. No, I'm just playing. Alright guys, so today is going to be another cooking with me video. I'm going to be cooking my creamy spinach and chicken. I got my spinach here, I got my chicken, and I got my heavy whipping cream so I can make my homemade Alfredo sauce. Come on. Alright y'all, let's get this thing rolling. So what I'm going to start doing here is I'm going to take my bell peppers and onions and I'm going to cut that up. And I'm going to cut my mushrooms up. You know, a little trinity. A little trinity is usually, you know, bell peppers, onions, and celery. But I'm going to substitute the celery for my mushrooms. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here, I'm getting ready to cut up my chicken. And yes, I did wash it off. I just didn't show you guys, but I did clean it. I ain't nasty. Right here is all the seasons that I'm going to use. I don't use a lot of seasoning. It may look like a lot when you see me seasoning in a bowl, but I promise you it was just enough seasoning on that chicken. It was so good, y'all. I promise. Alright, so I added my olive oil in the pot. That is the only oil that I cook with. I do not deep fry stuff. So no, I don't use vegetable oil. I only use olive oil. So I'm going to add my Trinity, my version of it. I'm going to add that in the pot, and we're going to let that cook down until it gets soft, but not mushy soft. Alright, after your peppers and onions have cooked down to your liking, you're going to take it out the pot, put it in a little bowl, set it to the side, and in that same pan, you just put your vegetables in, you're going to throw your chicken in there. This is going to be a one-pot meal. Well, two, including the noodles. But yeah, this is a one-pot meal, baby. Alright, so my chicken is finished. I'm going to put that in a bowl. I'm going to set that to the side as well. And now I'm going to grab my spinach. I'm going to throw it in the same pot. Don't worry about cleaning it out because you need that seasoning that came off the chicken to help flavor the rest of the food. So my spinach has finished cooking. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my Trinity back in there, which was my bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. And I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. It's time to start pulling this thing together, guys. We're almost done. Okay, so I just went ahead and added my Parmesan cheese. I added both packs, but you have to be careful when you add your cheese because it'll go straight to the bottom of the pan. So you have to stir that cheese around, or if not, it will burn. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. Keep in mind, it looks like a little bit of chicken, but I'm only cooking for 4 people. So if you need more, you can add more. And also I'm gonna add a little bit of shrimp because I want a chicken and shrimp. I was feeling a little fancy that night, y'all. So I went ahead and added some shrimp in there, and this meal is done. I want to thank y'all for sticking around to the end. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also share if you like this video that much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.